Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use coupons and offers in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now on the bottom of the screen you should see the third option is the U option. Click on it, and now you should see the coupons and offers option. Click on it as well, and you should see the unused coupons here. Then if you click on the used ones, here you should see the coupons that you have already used or the expired ones. So if you have an unused coupon, here you have to enter the coupon code, then click on the apply, and it will be applied to your order. And there is that option, the self-service to find coupons option. So if you know that you have a coupon but you cannot find it, click on it, and now you can provide phone number to find coupons or provide email address to find coupons. And then when you have them, you can apply them to your orders and you will get an offer. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.